everyone. It's me again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And before we start, allow me to introduce myself. By the way, I am teacher Sandara and today we will discuss about the exploring relationship between political and personal. Political choices impact personal lives. Political decisions direct affect personal lives, influencing economic opportunities, social well-being, and access to resources. For example, government policies on healthcare, education, and environment protections direct impact individual lives. Personal values shape political beliefs. Personal values, rooted in upbringing, cultures, and experience, inform how individuals perceive social issues and influence their political choices. Someone raised in a family that values community service might be more likely to support social program, while someone who prioritizes individual liberty might favor less government interventions. Next, understanding civic engagement and its impact. Civic engagement is crucial for healthy democracy. It compasses actions that contribute to the well being of a community or society. This includes volunteering, donating to charity, participating in community events, and working to improve local infrastructures. Civic engagement threatens communities by fostering social cohesion and promoting a shared sense of purpose. Active citizens are more likely to contribute to the common good and advocate for positive change. The influence of the cultures and history of the Filipino identity. Filipino possesses unique blend of indigenous traditions, Spanish colonial influence, and American influences. These blend shape their culture's identity and influences their political views and participations. For example, the strong family ties in the Filipino cultures might influence their political references toward policies that support families. The historic of the colonialism might also shape their perspective on government and authority. Unique blend of influences. Filipino identity is a rich tapestry woven from indigenous traditions, Spanish colonial influence, American influence, and modern global influence. These blend shape how Filipino views themselves, their relationships, and their place in the world. This reflects in their language, music, art, and social costume. In real life, if you see this in the mix of pre-colonial practice, Spanish influenced architectures and language, and American cultures informs in modern Filipino life. Cultures tapestry influence. These cultures mix profoundly shape Filipino identity. It influences their worldwide relationship in how they interact with the world. This manifests in their arts, music, literatures, and social interactions. For example, the strong family ties often emphasized in the Filipino cultures are direct results of this historical and cultural blending. Let's proceed the balancing individuals' rights and collective responsibilities. The power of the community. Building a strong community requires understanding and respecting both individual freedoms and collective needs. This means finding a balance between individual rights and the needs of the community as whole. In real life, they could be seen in community discussions about development projects where individual property rights are balanced against the overall benefits to the community. Global responsibilities, our actions have global impact. Recognizing these responsibilities encourage us to consider how our choices affect others. Promoting social justice and sustainability contribute to more just and sustainable futures for all. These translate to real life actions like supporting fair trade, reducing carbon footprints, and advocating the human rights and globality. Strategies for becoming an active and engaged citizen. Stay informed. Actively seek out credible resources of information and engage with diverse perspectives. This means consuming new from multiple resources, critical, evaluating informations, and seeking out of different viewpoints to form well-rounded understanding of the issue. Next, vote and participate. Exercise your right to vote in every elections and get involved in local campaign or civic organizations. This fundamental aspect of active citizenship. Speak up and engage. Be voice for positive change and engage in respectful dialogue with others. This includes expressing your opinions, respectful, participating in public forums, and engaging constructive conversations with those who hold different views. That's it to our lesson, and thank you for listening. I hope you will learn something from me. Thank you.